Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Sitharpidam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now I am going to speak about memory development program. Many persons are asking about memory development, not only for children but for elders also. Due to many factors, the memory power is reducing in the present generation. There are so many factors. Overstress reduces this memory power, memory loss. So you have to do something to reduce your stress. There is stress management program, separate program I am conducting. That will also improve memory power. In addition to this, there are certain things. One should take bath before sunrise in cold water. If you want to increase memory power, one should take bath in cold water before sunrise. That will increase the dopamine in your brain. That causes memory development. Then you have to create lateral thinking. Both the brain should be working. For many people, only one hemisphere of brain will be working. And to bring a coordination, you have to write and then you have to read in the reverse order. Write and read in the reverse order. Then write in the reverse order. So this will make your brain to have a separate additional dimension of lateral thinking. That will improve your memory. In the same way, there are some other mudras, Padiha Yogam and Hakini Mudra. Padiha, and you have to concentrate on this tip of nose. Now when you concentrate on the tip of nose, for some time your magnetic flow energy will be formed. The energy ball will be formed around this area. When you do it for some time like this with all only here, if you are not able to concentrate on this, you can put some paste like the turmeric or sandal paste here and you concentrate on this area like this. Then some persons may see only one side or this side. In that case, you have to check up if you are seeing this, you are not seeing this. There's the flexibility of muscle in that leg. I will be less. Then you have to do this exercise. Just rotating your eyeballs here and there. That you keep. If your left eye is not functioning or the moving very less, you use exercise. Give exercise only for the left eye, like this. If you do it for some time, the flexibility will make the eyes also look at these points. Both the eyes should equally concentrate on a single point in the tip of nose. When you start doing this for some minutes, then the magnetic energy will accumulate here. Some persons will see light also, blue light, white light and yellow, golden color light forming here. When you reach that stage, only after that only one should use Hakini Mudra. Many persons are telling use Hakini Mudra. Hakini Mudra will develop this memory power. Hakini Mudra will develop memory power only after doing this exercise. You keep hand like this in this area. When you keep the hand like this, after the energetic magnetic ball is formed here, you will feel the ball in your hands. And when you keep this exercise continuing and keep this mudra, the ball will become bigger. So when this energy ball is created here, it will become bigger and your hand will automatically separate like this. So Hakini Mudra, if you are starting, you keep it like this in this area, not anywhere. If you keep this mudra only in this area, it will work better, more results, it will yield more results. After doing this exercise, you keep hand like this, you will feel the energy within your hands. And when you continue watching here for more and more minutes, the energy fall will be bigger. And even sometimes your hand will move like this. And when the hand you keep like more energy will flow between the fingers. And when the energy is formed and you are fully satisfied, the energy is fully 100% energy is formed, then you apply the energy to this area. So simply Hakini Mudra, what is the use of? Many people are telling in YouTube also, Hakini Mudra. That will develop only after using this yoga and forming this energy in this form. One. Then mudra should be held here only, so that the energy ball will be, you can feel in your hands also. Even after that, holding the mudra, you have to continue watching this area, concentrate on this area again and again, so that the energy ball will become bigger. When you feel lot of energy in your hand, apply it in your brain area. So the electromagnetic energy will be, vibration will reach the brain and it will activate the brain. So actually the memory as well as thinking process are all electromagnetic circuits, waves, vibrations. So when you create the energy ball here and you apply, and this will improve the activity of each brain cell, then only memory power will be developed. So the astral energy created during this Padika Yoga along with this mudra, actually the mudra is to catch the energy ball in your hand, and this energy should be applied to your head also. Just mere holding the mudra is not sufficient for that. Then there is a Bindu Chakra activation. The medulla oblongata is identified as Bindu Chakra. In yoga, the Ajna Chakra is here, just opposite that. In your back, you are having a Bindu Chakra. It is identified with the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata activity is also important for improving memory. So when you activate that point in the energy center, the medulla oblongata will get lot of energy. And it will send signals to our left brain and right brain in equally. The imbalance between both the hemispheres of your brain will be settled, and thus memory power will increase. So in yoga practical classes, I am giving the techniques because you have to do it for minimum 24 minutes. It's a guided meditation that will be given separately in the practical class. Minimum 24 minutes to 45 minutes you have to do that activation. Then only you will feel the subtle flow of energy to your brain. When you activate the Bindu Chakra, you can feel immediately within half an hour how the energy is created and sent within your brain. So the more and more brain circuits are formed. So all the areas of your brain will be activated. Normally, 1/3 of the brain is sufficient to look after your day-to-day activities. When you do this Bindu Chakra activation, more areas of your brain will be activated. So not only the memory power, even your talents embedded in different areas of your brain will find expression. So this is now age is not a bar. It is you have to try it, and you can creative intelligence will be developed in you in addition to memory. Memory is also a part of this intelligence. If a person is intelligent and if he forgets everything, then he cannot be called as intelligent. So this estimation, this processing, memory power, calculation, all these are another dimensions of intelligence. So memory is one of the dimensions of intelligence, very important. Storage, processing unit is there, but the storage should be there. This is storage power of brain. So this can be done by this Bindu Chakra activation. Then there is one Chitrani Nadi activation. Chitrani Nadi is Nadi which is running through your Sushumna Nadi. It sprouts in your midbrain Brahmarandhra and flows from left brain to right brain. Only if you activate the Chitrani Nadi, both hemispheres of the brain will have equal energy. They will be activated. So the balance between left hemisphere and right hemisphere is needed for memory development. Yes, a practical session will lead to near 1 hour. That exercise also I am conducting classes for that. That will improve memory in children as well as in elders. Then there is one Naga Mudra. Naga Mudra you can do. This is Nagan is the assistant Vayu of Pranan. For to activate that, there is a separate mudra called Naga Mudra. You can hold like this near your Anahada within half feet. And if you concentrate O Naga Atmane Nama and certain more mantras and activation techniques are there, this will improve your memory. Because before Nagan activation, it is better you activate Anahata and Prana. After if you do that, this Nagan Mudra, it will take energy to your head and above. So the major memory power will be developed accordingly. So there are many more mudras for this. So important things I have to take bath early in the morning. Then you have to see later for developing lateral thinking, read from in the reverse order. Then Bindu Chakra activation is very much essential. And this creativity will be increased. Then this Chitrani Nadi activation brings a coordination between two hemispheres of brain. And Hakini Mudra. Hakini Mudra, if you have to do along with Padiha Yogam, that is pointing at the tip of nose and creating energy ball. And after that only you should hold this Hakini Mudra. And you have to receive shower energy and apply to your head. That is also very important. This process will increase this memory power in children as well as elders. As a memory development program, it may last up to 3 hour program I am conducting. Those who are interested, contact me. It's a practical result oriented program. Thank you.